The RVE ROC Extended Sports Bar has features and benefits that help you get more use out of your double cab ute. The design follows the format of the cabin, resulting in a harmonious look and fit. Inner tie-down rails or load rack mounts allow extra racks to be fitted. This turns the sports bar into a useful accessory rather than just good looks. Load racks make it perfect for transporting toys or tools. Our crossbars are compatible with most roof rack attachments and are also lockable. Best of all, these are made to fit with a ROC retractable lid, giving you even more options, like accessing the tray area without removing the load, and can be locked in any open position, allowing you to transport tall items with ease. An integrated high stop light and easy to fit mounting system allows this sports bar to fit on Ranger, Navara, BT-50, Hilux, D-Max, Colorado and X-Class double cab utes. To stock these products or purchase one for your vehicle, contact rve.co.nz today.